Hey everyone, Paul Pava here with Maxwell Realty, and today we're going to talk about how to create featured communities. For featured communities, I'm just going to give you a quick view of what it looks like. Featured communities can be added to your home page. There's shortcuts to different pages with some information. These are called CTAs or call to actions, which look really sharp and they're really great for your customer base. Let's just look at Central Edmonton, for example. You can open up here and you can see tells you total listings, which kind of match down here, your average price, your highest price, lowest price, and you can add some information in here. I kept it very simple for testing purposes. You got your price links, and then of course you got your 3x4 or 12 tiles here for your listings. So let's just dive in and we'll show you how you can make a featured community snippet. Go into your back end, click on your hamburger bar, and we're going to go to content. The first thing we should do is create the IDX snippet for your listings. So we're going to right click and choose open link in new tab. And just make sure you do select IDX to make this work. And then we're going to click on add. And we're going to create a neighborhood today. So we're just going to call it Albany test. And I'm just going to call it the same thing. Under subdivision, I'm just going to put here Albany. Now, if I wanted to do multiple communities, I would certainly select zones, which I would go down here and go to zone, add that panel, and I would just go to town, adding every single zone for that community or for that quadrant. Or you can just select whatever communities you want. In this case, we are going to just do Albany for testing purposes. I am going to keep this at 12 listings per page. So once again, when we come in here, you can see it's 3x4, 12 tiles. I like to keep it at 12 maximum, so my page load speed is not going to be bogged down, and Google likes when page speed is pretty fast. So over here, you can sort it by new listings, highest, lowest, or new. I like it by new listings first, and I do like to show my price range links. Right, hit save. Okay, so it looks like there's already one that's been created. I'm just going to call Albany tested. Okay, we're going to hit save. Perfect. Next, we're going to create a page to put this snippet. So I'm just going to highlight that, hit copy, right click on pages, hit new tab, go over to the next tab here, and I want to create a new page. And I'm going to call it the same thing, Albany tested. Okay, Albany tested. And I'm just going to do the same thing here. Okay, I always like to make sure my titles are in a heading one. Again, you should only have one heading one or H1 per page. I'm going to just put enter twice here, and I'm going to Control V that snippet into my page. What I've entered in here is these listings right here. So I want to put this snippet on top of this one here, which we're going to do in a moment here. Once the page has been done, I'm just going to turn off this feature here. I'm going to hit save. And one last thing we need to do is where it says reassign to, you need to reassign it to one of these navigations here. I'm going to put under commercial, or sorry, I'm going to put under communities, and I'm going to hit save. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to do is right click on tools, open up another tab again. Next, we're going to click on communities. And this is where all my featured communities are. I'm going to click the add button. and we'll call this Albany tested. I'm not going to enter anything into subtitle. That's entirely up to you. This will create a scripting look kind of like this for your sub. Okay, description. If you want to put a little description in here regarding what this page is all about, you can definitely do that. Here's your new snippet name. Okay, we're going to be using that here in a moment. And you can see it does have the FC, which stands for featured community. And this way it doesn't create a conflict with the other snippet that we've created just earlier. Community page, we're going to scroll down. We're going to find it here. Keep going. Okay, commercial. There it is. Under communities, we're going to choose Albany tested because that's the page we want to go to, which is this page right here. We're going to scroll down. Do not put anything in statistics, heading, and labels. This will automatically feed for you. Okay. Scrolling on down, we're going to choose IDX snippet. And we're going to choose Albany test. Lastly, we're going to choose an image. So I'm going to click on the plus here again. And I'm going to choose this Calgary image here, which definitely does not match my community, but that's okay. And we're going to open and then save. Okay. And you can see it's already enabled, so you don't have to enable this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this new snippet, go back to my page. Remember we added 2 spaces. I'm going to add it in here. And like in every other snippet, you do need the hashtag in the front and in the back as well. And we're going to hit save. If I want to hit view, there it is, your featured community. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, why is it not on the home page here? Okay. The reason why is you can only put 8 featured communities maximum on your home page. So what we need to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm just going to turn off central here. And all you do is you just disable it by hitting no. Hit save. Okay. So what we'll have to do in this case is we would have to delete this snippet as it won't let me disable. We can add that later on. Okay. Refresh this page. And there it is, Albany tested right at the very end there. So if you have any questions regarding adding your featured community snippet or call to action on your homepage, please email us at websupport@maxwellrealty.ca and we'll set up a one-on-one meeting with you to go over how to add your featured community snippet or CTA on your website. Thank you.